son aver, fouillard sincère, dîner en gris. Through the mist of dawn we rise, steel and flame beneath the skies. Echoes call from Tara's hill, ancient oaths we carry still. Hear the call of the drum, the sound of Eire soul. Brothers stand as one, the storm begins to roll. We are the sons of Eire, our hearts ablaze, our spirits higher. From the sea to the sacred stone, we fight for land, for blood our own. We are the sons of Eire, the wind shall sing our name in fire. Our blades will rise, our voices cry, for Eire never dies. Through shadowed glen and mountain crest we march with hope upon our chest. The raven circles, the banners wave, the fearless march of the bold and brave. Near Targri, Guthar Nanam, neath it Vimit Kike, raise the horns, ignite the flame, let legends carry our